You want to know how hedge fund trade? Well, this video is for you. I'm going to show you the hedge fund trading strategy and how to catch their orders and enter with them. So if this is something you're interested in, please leave a like and subscribe and also comment. So let's get into the video. So what can we see here? If I bring my lines to this point, we can see a consolidation, and this is what happens when hedge funds want to place their orders. They first stack it up and they accumulate and distribute, and you actually see price accumulating because they are actually filling huge orders of around 100 million, 10 million to 100 million. So you can't simply just put all of that money at once, and that is why their orders have to be filled slowly, and then when all of them are filled, you see spike to the upside or to the downside. So as you can see here, it happened there. If I also move my lines to this point, we can see it's also consolidated here, and as usual, after consolidating it went up. This move is actually a 200 pips move. Don't think it's actually small. It's because of the meta trader. So your question is, how can I know when the consolidation is leading to uptrend or downtrend? So that's what I'm going to show you now. If you really want to know, just stick around and watch the end of this video, because I'm going to be revealing something at the end. So how do we know when the consolidation is going to go up or when it's going to come down? Simple. What are we seeing here? We can see that's a low of the consolidation that price was not able to take out during the consolidation. So price was not able to take out this low. That shows a big up move from here. And basically I took this trade and I shared it in my previous video. I hope you saw it. And let's check out this one here. In a downside, we saw that price was not able to take out this low, but during the consolidation phase, price went up right from this point. And what can we say again? We can see another consolidation here. If I can just bring my lines to mark it, yeah, and this is a consolidation. Of course we are seeing it, and as we can see that price was not able to take out this side, and after ranging, price was coming down, was not able to take out the high, so definitely price dropped. And this is how it always happens. Let me look for another example. Okay, I found another one. As you can see, this is another consolidation. We seeing here, are we seeing this low? As price started consolidating, price could not take out this low and price was going up slowly. And what do we see? Price actually spikes up, and this is always what happened. You won't usually see this too much in forex markets, in currency pairs, but you actually definitely see it in stocks, because it actually shows itself pretty obvious in stocks and other these things. So if you actually enjoy this video, please like and subscribe and leave a comment. And I want to actually advise you to actually backtest this strategy, so you know the best way it works for you, and don't just start using it blindly. So this is basically the way hedge fund fills their orders. There are more to it, but in this video, this is the scope of this video. In another video, maybe I can tell you more. Thank you guys for watching.
Guys, I said I was
Bye.
going to tell you something at the end of this video. So what I wanted to tell you is that the more in an uptrend, the more moves, consolidating moves to the upside is actually high probability than the ones you see to the downside using the strategy I explained above in the video. So always follow the ones with the trend. Thank you so much for watching.
If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe and leave a comment. See you in the next video. Bye.